How to get my SBLC request approved. Are you looking to apply for a standby letter of credit with your bank? Are you worried that your bank might decline your SBLC request? There are a few eligibility criteria that you should comply with to get your SBLC request approved. They are: you should have a bank facility available with your bank. You should be ready to provide 100% cash margin. Your credit score should be up to the mark. If you didn't meet the bank demands, then your bank will decline your SBLC request. In this case, you can contact us to get the SBLC issued from our rated European banks. We are here to provide the required SBLC, even in case of no bank facilities available, no cash margin or collateral available, less credit score. Contact us today to get more info on SBLC issuance process. Email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.